Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today just real quick to share some Easter stuff I've been making and stash building so I could make more stuff, I guess. And so one of the first things I worked on is I did get this new die from KS Crafts. It is a ruffle die, I believe it's called. Yes, it is the large ruffle die. So I don't know if that's what it is, the large ruffle die. And I received 2 of them. And so when you cut them out, they come in a strip and then you just fold them. Here they mark the fold lines and then they come out like this. So that's the 2 different styles. You can also layer them and fold them. The lines match up when you layer and fold them as well. So you can do things like that. So I just cut a whole bunch of them out so I can have them ready when I work on some spring projects here. And I just like how the ruffle is. Yeah, so like I said, I cut a few of those out. I have them stashed right here. Let me just show you this cute little suitcase. I did get the tutorial off of Christian's YouTube channel. She is Christian's Crafty. I will leave her link in the description box below. But yeah, so that's where I got the tutorial for this. Didn't even need a die or an SVG. And it's a great size. It's about a little over an inch and a little over 4 inches. So, and then 3 inches this way. So I made a good stash of these ribbon things, so they fit perfectly in this suitcase. I did use the Makaz Home's collection garden party, I think. No, Bloom. It might be Bloom. But yeah, I've decided I need to start using up my Makaz Homes and not just keep it in my suitcase. But so I cut a few of those, made a few of those, and then I also got I've had this die in my stash, and I'm gonna assume it's a KS Craft design as well. But I did receive the smaller one recently. And that is the label information for the smaller one. Shaker bag topper small. But you could see how they cut. And so I have die cut both of them out. This is the small one here. Okay, focus. Hold on. Yeah, there we are. So this is the small one here. And I made a whole bunch of these as well. And then this is the big one here. And so the big one is, you know, substantial size. And then the small one. But yeah, so I made a few of those. I did use the sequence mix I received in a sequence swap, which reminds me I just joined another sequence swap. I need to look up that information. But yeah, so that's all I have today to share. Here are those bunny ears. I think I've shared these already, the embellishments that I made. So I've got a stash of these bunnies now, a stash of these ribbon, ruffle ribbon. I need to, I have 3 cards I need to make so I can get 3 gifts out in the mail for Easter. And so that's what I'm going to be working on next, is these 3 Easter springy cards. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.